Okay, getting started with the content area, we'll go up to the toolbar here, click Content, and as you can see here, I've started laying out weekly content here in the weekly modules, but let's say we need to have a Start Here module for the students here. So I would click that button, click Start Here for the students, and obviously I probably want this at the top of my list for the students to access, so it's easy, just click and hold onto this and you move it right up there, easy to organize. Alright, now I want to add, you can add dates of when you want this to start, or you can just leave it unchanged. If you don't change it, it will always be visible for the students. But if you have specific dates you want them to access content to help keep them on pace and not let them work ahead, you can add dates and restrictions in that. So right here I'm going to add some basic instructions for the students on what I want them to do for the week. Click Update, and you can see I've added some directions for them to complete this module. Now if I have existing activities I want them to do, like I've already created, I want them to do an assignment, a discussion, a quizzes, you would click on Add Existing Activities. For example, let's go up to Assignments and let's click that first one, and it will embed a link in the module for that particular assignment you have. Okay, so if you have any further questions, please contact Caleb or I at Office of Teaching and Learning Excellence. We're in the basement of Cowan Hall in room 110. Thank you.